Hi, job seekers, professionals, and students. If you are a job seeker today, having a personal portfolio website is no longer optional, it is a must. Instead of just sending resumes, you can showcase your skills, projects, and achievements through your own website. In fact, I have also created my personal portfolio using the same method. You can check it out. In this video, I will show you how to create complete website using Hostinger's AI website builder step by step with no coding is required. By the end of this video, your website will be fully built, customized, and ready to go live. I have also added an exclusive discount link in the description so you can get started for less amount. First, click the link in the description to go to Hostinger. Have you done it? Once you are here, choosing a hosting plan. I recommend the premium plan because it includes free domain, business email, and AI website builder. Select a 12-month or longer plan to get the best price. Then create your account and complete the checkout process. If you want, you can also choose monthly plan that will cost you every month. Now we are going to create a website with AI builder. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click on websites. Then click add website. Here, this is add website. Now select Hostinger website builder and choose create with AI. That is most important. I am underlining here create with AI. Under your website name, this can be your name or brand. Select the website type, for example portfolio, blog, or business. Now click generate. If you want, I have certain prompts for creating website for different professionals like students, professionals, etc. I have given a separate prompts. You can use that prompts inside this Hostinger. Now I click generate. I'm just clicking the generate button. Watch this. The AI will automatically create your entire website in just a few seconds. Now, this is the time for review your AI website. As you can see, the AI has already created a full website layout with text, images, and sections. You can click on any part of the page to edit it. If you want to click the image to edit, you can do it. If you want to content in the any places in the website, you can do it. Everything is fully customizable. It is very easy to learn. In basic monthly plan of Hostinger, these are the options available. Drag and drop facility, AI generated website in seconds, regenerated content, text layout can be free SSL certificate is available for the website, and SEO settings and basic analytics for visitor for the website that is available. And in AI generated features, you have these options. Best thing is that read content in different tones, auto generated sections like about services, etc. AI image suggestions and layouts, and quick redesign without any manual effort. That is very good. And you know the limitations you would have seen the basic plan. Now you see the advanced features for higher plans. More AI credits, that is more region. If you don't like the website, again you can read and you see the better website. Actually, better website you can generate and regenerate and see. This full e-commerce function, you can sell products online. You Stripe account, you can link with it, payment option, everything available there. Advanced analytics and marketing tools are more storage and bandwidth and periodic advanced design options that are all available in higher plans. To get best discount on us, make sure you use my link description below. I think this is conclusion. Test is this hosting for website host. Basics for useful for beginners, portfolios and small websites. Higher plans for businessmen, stores, scaling process. They can easily choose. That's all the video today. Tomorrow the manual how to create portfolio website using other virtual server like Namecheap.com. I was using so how to create portfolio and other front end using Next.js, Flask and various other frames. We will step by step and try. You can also become a developer. Please subscribe and follow AI Code with Suresh.